Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this fabric gift bag and frame from Dollar Tree. I started by taking the center part out of the frame, removing some of the paper that was loose, and sanding it down and painting it with linen color chalk paint by Folkart. You can definitely skip the part about removing the paper. I just had to remove some of mine because around the edges it was really loose. After I had that painted, I cut the front of the gift bag and then added a layer of Mod Podge to that center part of the frame, and then placed down the gift bag that I had cut, smoothed it out with my hands, and then dried that with my heating tool. Once that was dry, I cut off the excess fabric. Next, I'm moving back to the frame part. I sand it down just so the paint sticks better because it is a plastic material. I wiped all that down and then took these gemstones that I got from Dollar Tree and placed them all around the front of the frame. And this frame is about 6.5 by 6.5. Next, I'm taking ink color chalk paint by Waverly and painting the entire frame, giving it full coverage. And then I'm taking these two wooden pieces I got from Hobby Lobby, hot gluing the pedestal piece to the oval piece, and painting that with the same ink color chalk paint. I then place the center back into the frame. I add hot glue around the top of that pedestal piece as well as inside the opening in the pedestal piece just so there's more glue to attach to the frame. And then place the frame onto the pedestal, just getting it as centered as possible. So you can leave it like that, plain and simple. And I just wanted just a little bit something extra, so I added a twine bow. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.